Okay, students. Next topic is screenlets. Okay, what is screenlets? Screenlets is basically a mini application you can use on the desktop. It offers information at a glance and provides easy access to frequently used tools. Okay, I will show you one example for screenlets. Here you can see one photo here. In this one you can see two mobile phones. Okay, here in this mobile phone you can see here weather information, temperature information. Okay, in this location, that is one of the example for screenlets. It is simply called widgets also. Okay, so screenlets or widgets, it can be said screenlets or widgets. Okay, as like here you can see this is Google. Okay, Google search engine. So it is another screenlets for searching something on the Google instead of we are opening in the Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, google.com, www.google.com. instead of that one we can use this screenlets. Okay, so in this mobile you can see here time and date and time is there here. This is also another screenlets. Okay, here Google search, it's another screenlets, and this one is the temperature information. Okay, so in the Ubuntu, this is in the case of Android mobile phone, and also you can see in Ubuntu window, this is the desktop screenshot. Here you can see some something here, date and time. Here it is date. Okay, date, and here sorry, this is clock, and here you can see date and the time information as analog clock, and this is digital information as date. Okay, and here also you can see some screenlets. Okay, here Google search is there, this is another screenlets, and here weather information, there's another screenlet, and here you can see the YouTube screenlet. Okay, so and the next one is here you can see the hard disk space. It's another another screenlet for understanding the usage, memory usage of this memory free space or used space of hard disk. Then you can see here CPU using percentage. Okay, CPU using percentage, then RAM usage, then swap area usage, and some other things. So these all contents are the examples for screenlets. So what is screenlets? I told you that screenlets is basically a mini application. It's a small application that can be installed in a computer and that can be placed in the desktop, that is used to, or it offers information at a glance. It is very easy to access. Okay, for example calc or calendar, clock, etc. Okay, so in order to install the screenlets in our Ubuntu, okay, if we want to install in this Ubuntu, what we have to do, that time we can use Ubuntu Software Center. Okay, Ubuntu Software Center. In the previous topic we discussed what is Ubuntu Software Center. This is Ubuntu Software Center, from where we can search for some screenlets application and install the same. Okay, so after installing, okay, select the screenlets from Ubuntu Software Center, then click on the install button. Okay, then it will be installed. After that we can just select from the launcher or from application. Okay, this application or from launcher we can select the screenlet, install the screenlet, and then we can select which are the which apps we want, or which application, small application, mini application, from that one we can select. Okay, that's all about screenlets. Okay.